members of convocation, members of staff of our polytechnic, student representative council, friends of the media, my dear matriculants, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, I feel delighted and honored as rector of this polytechnic to deliver my first public address on the occasion of the 19th matriculation ceremony. On behalf of the management, staff, and continuing students, I welcome you freshmen into the fold of the C Poly family. This ceremony is a solemn initiation to formally welcome you to the new environment which God's providence has placed you in. It is a serene environment conducive for academic and professional development. So get adjusted quickly and accept the challenges as they unfold. Student enrollment. This year, the Polytechnic admitted a total number of 953 students, comprising 806 tertiary, including the students and those enrolled in the evening school, and 147 non-tertiary students. Dear students, you should consider yourselves privileged to be among the chosen few. Remember, there are many who yearn to have this opportunity, but for one reason or the other, could not be among you. I urge you to resolve individually and collectively to take your studies seriously in order to achieve your main objective of being here, that is to earn a certificate. I assure you that our hardworking academic and administrative staff are ever ready to deliver value for money service to help you achieve your goals. Academic